Hello everybody, this is Mika from dmcx.com. Today I'm going to talk about Peter Sagan bicycle as he raced for the 2020 season on the Specialized S-Work VNG. Peter of course have several bikes for the season. He will probably race the Spring Classics on the Roubaix or sometimes also on the tarmac. But the main bike I'm gonna focus on today is the main bike is for sprinting. When for sprinting finish, it is a VNG. So Peter is 184 centimeters tall and he is racing on a 56 centimeter frame. And now I'm gonna focus on the frame sizing. So this is very nerdy, but this is for nerd, right? So the frame seat tube is 518 millimeters long from center of BB to the top tube virtual height. The top tube length is 562 millimeters. This is where come from the 56 centimeters frame size. It is a 56.2 centimeter or 562 millimeters. You understood. The head tube and seat tube angles are actually parallel. It's 73.5 degrees. The head tube length is 153 millimeters. The wheelbase is 991 millimeters, and the chainstay is quite a bit long for road racing bike. It is a 410 millimeters, and that's the reason for this is because the bikes allow a 32 millimeter tire section clearance on the fork and also on the frame. So it makes this bike a very versatile bike because you can put comfortable tires for long rides, and that's great, I think, for like classics or cyclo-sportive race or event. It is a great bike. And then here is a very particular point, is the BB drop is 72 millimeters. It is quite low, and it gives a great advantage of aerodynamics. It decreases the drag as the rider center of gravity is lower. This is a great design bike. I really love this bike. If you have a chance, go to a local bike shop, look at the frame. It is really a very, very sexy bike. I really love this bike. And then I'm finishing with frame design, finishing up with a fork. It's a 44 millimeter rake. That's pretty much normal for this size of bike. And now I'm jumping to the bike components. It is the Team Bora is sponsored by Shimano as a main components manufacturer, so obviously we will find Shimano all over the bike. It is a Shimano 11-speed Di2 hydraulic disc brake. It is at the moment 11, and I expect the group set to change to 12-speed probably around the summer of 2020. So that's going to be a different setup obviously, but the bike is right now on the group sets Shimano 9100 and 9150 rear derailleur, front derailleur, and the crank is 172.5 millimeters length. It is fitted with Shimano power meter, and here is a very particular point of Peter Sagan bike setup. It is set with a Shimano SPD SL. That's a plus 4 millimeters wide axle. So Shimano offers two types of SPD SL dual race pedal. One is a normal width of axle, and one is extended plus 4 millimeters. That's the PD R9100 plus 4 type. That's to allow people with wider Q factor to adjust their position as the best. And then talking about the Q factor to be wider, so Peter also used a 155 millimeter width saddle from Specialized. That's the name is I think it's Romin Evo saddle. So 155 millimeters. That's the widest from Specialized for this model. That's the setup. The stem length is 150 millimeter length. That's the stem is from Specialized, the VNG integrated, and the handlebar is a Specialized S-Work Aerofly 2 420 millimeters width. That's a beautiful bike, really nice bike. The bar tape is from Supercars. The shifters, as I said, is from Shimano Di2 with the Sprinter shifter hidden in the behind the brake hood drop. So then that's a typical for Sprinters. I think I've been all around the bike except for the wheels. The wheels are from sister company of Specialized. It's from Roval, and Peter is going to race mainly on tubular tires of section 26. Sometimes we might see him tubeless, as Specialized is pushing for the marketing of its tubeless tires. But we are definitely going to see Peter racing mainly on the tubular from Specialized, mated with the Roval wheels, and the wheels of obviously on the disc with a 160mm disc rotor on the front and 140mm disc rotor on the back. The wheels and the bottom bracket is a OSBB type. All those bearings are provided by ceramic bearings, and the rear derailleur is fitted on the frame with a Shimano. It is actually a big trend among the pro racer right this year. If you look, most of teams with Shimano sponsor, the rear derailleur is mounted with a direct mount. There is a small extension. You can see it's more than the derailleur hanger looks like much longer, and this allows for the rear wheel to be easy to remove with a through axle. The through axle is a big shaft, and to allow the bike to allow a quick removal of the rear wheel, Shimano developed that extended rear derailleur hanger type. That's very particular, but it's going to be a big trend as we go. Right, I think I've been through everything. The speed meter is from Wahoo, the bar tape is from Supercars, bottle cage is from Supercars. I think I've done all. It's very good. This is a very nice bike, very fast and beautiful design. If you have a chance, go have a look at the bike shop. It's a very nice bike. So obviously we are going to see a lot of good action this year with Peter. Thank you for watching.